What makes the difference with Kramer School of Nursing and in the doctorate program is your exposure to professionals and professors that not only are engaged in the classroom, but are excited about your pursuits outside the classroom.
I actually compared schools and programs, and I felt like this one was actually the highest as far as education status. It gave you a lot of options. I feel like everything that I've learned at the Kramer School of Nursing has absolutely helped me in my career. The technology is what we use at bedside care right now.
The classroom experience was what sold me on OCU. The class sizes are small. I'm friends with everyone in my class. So I feel like with the larger universities, sometimes you lack the confidence to talk in class or speak about your opinions. But I feel that OCU, that's one of the biggest advantages is the smaller class sizes allowing you to be able to communicate better with your teachers and students.